Smooth, you know what it is. Hey, you know, it's a slow night. You know, things don't just feel right. You just sit in a situation that just don't think, is compatible for what you got going on. Stuff just doesn't add up anymore. You get those lazy days, those not determined nights, those lonely last thing ever dreams and shit, or thought process before it takes you hours to go to sleep. And you're just sitting there, right? And you just realize that something's got to change. Something's got to give. Because you know why? You always sit there and you just think, that this just can't be it. This can't be the moment in time that you have. I should sit there a lot and think that, wow, this is the best I got. Man, I'm not going to go anywhere with this. I'm not going to take it nowhere. It's going to be pointless, There's no point for me to turn around and think that I'm going to have something better when every day I wake up and there's just no satisfaction in anything that I do. You sit there and you just think that it's just so much to be, but it's not. It can't be everything. A lot of times it's supposed to be mostly anything, but it's not. It doesn't come at that price because that price that doesn't make sense no more. And you just keep thinking that, something's got to give. I got to learn something. I got to push harder. I got to fight with these thoughts I have. I got to fight with all these things that are going wrong in my life and everything. And still, I have to sit there and fight myself and think that, I just can't do it. I can't get better. Or I can't achieve nothing. But in reality, you know that you can achieve all and you can reach all because you know why? You are meant to accomplish those things. You are meant to have what you think about a lot. You are meant to enjoy the life of life because, you work for it. It's supposed to be given to you. So now you sit there and it's just so much holding on to you, so much coming in, right? But then that's when you take that moment and you just think that, something can turn nothing into something. And my life is nothing now, but it will become something because I will make it something. I will give it the hope and energy and belief and faith and time that it should be to nourish it and to give it the time it needs to be who it is and what it is for it to be the full successful way it could be. I have to take that determination, I have to take that pride, I have to take that, that overconfidence, that cockiness, that, the having a moment the way it should be, and making it something better, being something in it. Give it a grace of the Lord. You know what I'm saying? Give it a chance to breathe. The path of life. The eternity of a must. It shall be everything and anything. There's a way. When there's a will, there's always a chance. There's always something that you need for you to be better. Remember that.